But then I realised I was a complete dumbass and made a stupid mistake. The T-Rex 470 has finally been assembled. I started by putting the skids on to hold the main frame up. Take the 2 screws out, hold the skids in place, put the 2 screws back in, quickly put on the vertical stabiliser, nice and easy. That helped to get the tail in nice and straight too. Now an important one, the tail boom goes in. The end slots in this hole quite nicely. Make sure the tail drive belt comes through, like this. Then we tighten up these 4 screws on both sides, connect the tail control rod. We'll quickly stick on the tail boom braces. There's a screw on the bottom of the main frame, and a screw on the tail. Quickly turn it around and do the other side. Now the main shaft with rotor head assembly, it simply slides down to the top hole you can see through another central bracket not in view and rests on the bottom bracket by the bottom arrow, looking something like this when in place with the links connected. Now the awkward bit, before you actually finish pushing the main shaft down, get the tail belt over the tail gear. After a lot of swearing, when that's done, ram your shaft in, then secure it with a screw that goes in here. I thought I was pretty much finished, but then I realised I was a complete dumbass and made a stupid mistake. You see, the main blades spin clockwise from above, and the tail should spin anti-clockwise when seen from the right. This is so they get better airflow from the main blades downwash as they go up on the forward side. What I had done was left too much twist in the tail belt. There should be 90 degrees clockwise twist in the belt going from back to the front. I thought I had this, but didn't check closely enough. If there's too much twist in the tail belt, then it will rub and eventually wear out and snap. Then the helicopter will crash. So I had to take it all apart again, get the tail off, get a very good look inside the boom to know for sure the twist was correct, then put it together again. Then I just had to put the canopy on, blades on, and we have this. Just waiting for my batteries and receiver, then I'll do a setup and programming video, then I'll put it to the test with loads of flying and experiments that you do not want to miss.